Is your Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo T8 more of a spinning top than a cleaning machine? Does it seem determined to create a dizzying dance routine instead of cleaning your floors? And what about that mopping? Water's coming out, but is it actually cleaning? Does your mop head stubbornly refuse to vibrate despite water merrily escaping? You're not alone. A faulty wheel causing spinning and a malfunctioning Ozmo water tank, lack of vibration while mopping are surprisingly common problems for Deebot Ozmo T8 owners. The spinning problem is often caused by a faulty drive wheel. This small but crucial component allows your Deebot to move smoothly and efficiently. When it malfunctions, well, you get the spinning. The lack of mopping vibration is usually linked to the Ozmo water tank's internal vibration mechanism. This mechanism is designed to gently agitate the mopping pad. If this breaks down, you get water dispensing, but not cleaning. But don't worry, RoboCare has the solution. Our expert technicians quickly diagnose and repair your Deebot Ozmo T8. Whether you drop it off at our Kota Damansara service center or use our convenient courier service. Our experienced technicians carefully examine your Deebot, identifying the root cause of the problem. We use genuine replacement parts and employ advanced techniques to ensure long-lasting repair. Every step of the repair process is done with care and precision. We even go the extra mile, a thorough cleaning to remove any built-up dust and debris during the repair. We don't just fix the immediate issue. We ensure your Deebot is back to optimal performance. We pay close attention to detail, meticulously testing each repair to ensure long-lasting functionality. Our goal? Getting your robot back to cleaning, not just fixing it temporarily. Ready to see the amazing results? Wow! RoboCare restores the Deebot Ozmo T8 to its peak cleaning performance, tackling both the faulty wheel and the mopping issues. Afterward, we returned the robot to the customer and they said it worked like new again, so they were happy. Don't let a broken robot vacuum ruin your day. Contact RoboCare today. We're here to help.